Hi, my name is Lowell Kabnick. I've been the director of the workshop, Venus Workshop here at the organization for 10 years. And Jose Almeida and I have been designing the VEITH plenary session for the past 20 years.
20.
And so we needed something to fill in to help us actually with our attendees. They needed something else besides a plenary session. It was really interesting for us to come up with the idea that we really needed a workshop. And that workshop then really has stemmed over the past 10 years. The workshop really includes industry in terms of videos and their devices. It also includes a hands-on as well as case discussions. And really the most important part for me is the case discussions and also the description and the new devices that come to the workshop. We started probably with maybe 25 attendees, and now we're well over 100. Yesterday we were well over 100, and we ran from 1:30 to 6. So, with that being said, as an introduction, I really wanted to start to ask my colleagues, both Tom Wakefield, who's a co-director of the workshop, as well as Jose, who's also a co-director, some questions basically on where did we start and how did we get to where we got, just like I'm talking about. So I'm going to start with Tom, and then I'll go to Jose.
I think we wanted to start to have the attendees really learn what the experts think when they're trying to make decisions. Try to have both a national and an international discussion. So we have individuals from all across the world. Wanted to have the ability of the attendees to have some hands-on and to see some videos on new techniques and really try to make this every year information that is useful, but also information that's new to bring to the VEITH.
So, Tom, I think that really what's really helped us in the workshop has been industry.
Yes.
They've supported us over the years. They come with new and exciting devices, and we get to do hands-on. And then we really, what comes out of it is that we do case discussions, video discussions, and then the panel, which is a bunch of experts. There, our colleagues pose questions as well as answer questions that can be sometimes a little prickly.
Well, I also think that the attendees see that there are many different ways to approach a problem, and they get to see how individuals, experts think about the problem and how they come to the solution, and then how to incorporate the new technologies that the industry is bringing and that we're demonstrating, how to bring those into patient care.
And there's never any disagreement, right?
Oh, there's always disagreement. That's the fun part.
Jose, same question.
Yeah, I would just add, I agree with everything that's been said. As we know, the Venus space is a very device-centric space. This whole thing kind of got reimagined, from traditional vein stripping back in 1999 to saphenous vein ablation. Then we got into iliac vein stenting, and now the new thrombectomy devices. Industry sponsors meetings like this. They need to see, interest in their devices, and the attendees need the information on how to implement the devices. So it's really a perfect marriage or harmony between industry and the attendees. And as you guys have stated, the added layering is the case presentations, real world cases, how we use the devices, how we disagree on the way we use the devices, and how there are multiple ways to skin a cat. And that's the beauty of the workshop. Then they get to go around the stations. I mean, when you originally designed it, it was stations only. And I really think the added case presentations really brought it full circle. But then they go to the stations and get their hands on the devices, and there's reps there. They can discuss the intricacies of how to manage a device or do a stent deployment and the buttonology and all these things. So, yeah, it's been a value add to the plenary sessions for sure.
So one of the things that I think is important in some of the things that I've learned as I've gone through is at the workshop, you can approach experts, and the experts will then give you one-to-one. And I think that's really, really helpful. Whereas in a plenary session, you might be able to get a question through, but you really don't get the real answer. You
Yeah.
really don't feel the vibration, the emotion of of the question and the answer. And I think this is really important in terms of a workshop.
Yeah,
Uh,
and I also think that it's really good to see that there are differences in how patients are treated in different parts of the world. I love that part of the workshop. Yesterday, I counted, I believe, 13 different countries that were represented. And you could see that the way venous disease is approached is different in different places. And everyone has good reasons for why they do what they do. Some of them are related to training. Some of them are related to what's available to them as far as their resources. But that's really interesting and valuable to learn that, I think.
So the workshop lasted almost 6 hours yesterday.
Yeah.
Is there anything that Jose that you think we should change? Do you think maybe shortening it maybe over a day or two, or even combining some of the uh, cases into our plenary session?
Um, well, two options. You could shorten it, but if you want to keep it long, there's a new layer to this. You know what they say, you want to learn something 5 years ago, go to a textbook, something a year ago, go to a paper. Add some cocktails to the workshop,
That's
and they'll
right.
really get the skinny. They have the experts at the bar. So maybe we could have bourbon served after 4:30 p.m. Any way is fine. I think as long as you have the interaction and people there, you're going to get a great, productive workshop.
One thing I really thought yesterday was that the attendance at the beginning of the workshop and then after the hands-on was either the same amount or even more people. So many times during workshops, the attendance will decrease over time, and at the very end, there's very few people. And we had individuals staying the entire time.
And it's interesting in how we formed the workshop. We go from superficial to deep and then to aesthetics. So there's something for everybody at that workshop. Final statements.
Yeah, look forward to it next year. You guys have done a great job with it.
I absolutely look forward to it. It's a highlight for me of coming to the meeting, and I'm so glad to be able to be part of it.
So we look forward to seeing you in 2026 at the Veins, and More workshop. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that'll
Jose
be
Almeida,
our
and thank you very much, Tom.
Thank you very
that'll
much.
be the 21st year of Veins at Veek.